Welcome to Data Space 9. Today I'm going to explain about the data virtualization. So in this data virtualization, we can represent the data in different graphs. Today we will discuss only the two graphs. One is the histogram. This is the histogram, and the second graph is seaborne disk plot. These are the two graphs we will discuss on today's class. Uh, so, so what is the mean by the histogram? So the distribution of data we can represent using the histogram graph. So you can see the distribution of data we can represent in histogram graph. Okay, so this is the syntax for the histogram. So we need to define the data set, and we need to give some field name in the data set, and plot dot histogram. So this is the syntax for the histogram graph. And coming to the sequence dot disk plot, this is another graph. This can be the data can be visualized using the unvariant and bivariate distribution of data. So it contains some kind of parameters. So these are the kind of parameters: kind equal to histogram, and kind equal to KD, kind equal to ECDF. So and also rug plot. We use a rug plot here. These are the different parameters we can see in this plot. So can see histogram function. We can use this in this function. So and also KC this is a kernel density estimation plot, C1 KDE plot, and the ECDF plot. We can full name is empirical cumulative distribution function plots. We can use this function, and the plot also includes the function. These are the different plots, different type of function, different type of graphs. Use the parameters we can pass into this plot, sequence.this plot. Okay, I will show you using that how to write in Python code, how to represent the data in Python code. I will show you. So we just know the definition. Histogram, that's the distribution of data we can represent in histogram graph. And the C1 dot disk plot is there are different type of virtualizing the data. It contains the bivariant and uh, univariant of data it contains, and it can be used with the different subset of plots. Means there is some parameter called kind parameter. So in this kind parameter, we can pass the different type of graphs names, histogram and KD plot, and also ECDF plot, KD plot, and also rug plot. So these are different type of graphs. By passing these parameters, we can get the data in different differently. We can represent the data using this kind parameter. Okay, let me show you the how to write this. So I am taking the new Python file. So I am importing the libraries. Import pandas as import mp as import os import matplot dot plot as pl import seaborn as SMS. Okay, these are the libraries we have imported in this program. So so that then only we will get those plot data virtualization graphs. Okay, so then we need to import the data. For that we can define a variable. Here for the p dot, we will define. I'm taking data set here. So the data set name is simple for store. Okay, this is a data set I'm using currently. So I'm going to read this Excel sheet. So I need to give the path name here, and I need to give the format, type of format. It is a XLS format. So we will give that XLS format, XLS. Okay, and then we need to run this command. And then I'm taking only the some header count only. Uh, So this is a simple store data set. It contains the OID, subcategory, customer ID. So just I'm taking the quantity. So I'm taking the histogram command. This is the histogram command. Df of I'm taking only the quantity field. Dot, so I define I'm taking only the quantity. In this, you can see the quantity here is there. Only the quantity column I'm taking. And the plot dot histogram. This is a graph we are using the histogram. So the data is the histogram. We need to distribute the. We need to represent the data in a distribution format. So that's why we are using this function histogram method. Just you can click on run. So you can see so this is the graphical data virtualization we can represent in this graph using this histogram method. So frequency and it also quantity. Next label is the quantity. So we can represent this data like this, and I am going for the next graph is this plot. Sequence of this plot. This is another graph. We can represent the data. So we'll take SNS dot this plot. Okay, here TT and false and also kind parameters. So already I told you. So this is a kind parameter. We can pass a different type of graphs. One is the histogram graph, another one is the KDE graph, another one is the ECDF graph. These are different type of parameters. We can pass this using this plot function. So now we can see running this command. See, so this is this plot with the kind parameter histogram. So I will show you another thing, another type of. I'm taking only the KDE. Let me check whether it will give error. So just remove this thing KDE false. So we don't see any line here because of this is a kind of parameter kernel density. What is the full name of the KDE? KDE is kernel density estimate. So you can estimate that kernel density estimation we can get using this kind parameter. And I will show you another one. I will do only KDE and the kind parameter I am using ECDF. Okay, let me run this command. Something error. Remove this KDE. this is one kind of parameter we are passing. So you can see the data has represented like this. Some stepwise it has been represented. So what is the full definition for empirical cumulative distribution function? We can call it as empirical cumulative distribution function. We can represent the data like this. And let me check the rough plot. I don't know how it works. So this is the first time checking rough plot. Rough plot. Let's see only rug only will do that. Let me check. Oh, this is the first time I am running using this parameter. Okay, okay. You can see this kind must be only for histogram, KD and ECDF, but the rug was first. Okay, 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 yeah. So, so only these three only it will give this thing, and remaining we don't need this one. Okay, so what we discussed today class, we importing the libraries, then we read the Excel sheet, data sheet we have read, and we will get the top five records displayed, and we are taking histogram, the data we can represent using the distribution. Distribution of data we can represent the histogram. So that's why I'm taking this column df quantity plot histogram. It will represent the data like this, and I'm taking that this plot. We are passing the distribution plot is nothing but it contains univariant and bivariant data. We can represent the data using this kind of parameters by passing the graph values like histogram, KD, and ECDF. So these are the parameters we will pass, and we will get the data using these different graphs. Okay, so please do subscribe my channel so you can get the more videos, and please share the comment and press the bell icon so to get the more videos.